Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech On. Friends, today I'm going to show that how to temporarily deactivate Instagram account. Friends, to deactivate Instagram account is an easy process. So if you have Instagram account and if you want to deactivate Instagram account for a while, you can do it easily, my friends. Friends, for this you have to go to your Instagram account, just open it. After opening your Instagram account, just simply tap on your profile picture. Then you have to tap on the menu at the top right corner on triple straight line. Then you'll find here account center. Just tap on here on the account center and you'll find here lots of options. But between of lots of options, you have to tap on personal details. Then tap on account ownership and control. Then tap on deactivation or deletions, right? Just tap on here. Now my friends, you have to select your Instagram account, which one you want to. So friends, after that, you can see here deactivation and deletion, right? Just tap on here. Then tap on the here, my friends, your Instagram account and see there's deactivate account and delete account. Has deactivate account automatically selected, but if you see this is not selected automatically, you have to select manually like that. Then you have to tap on continue. Then my friends, you have to enter the password. Then tap on continue. My friends, you have to select a reason why you want to deactivate account. Just I want to select this one, just need a break, and tap on continue. And scroll down, my friends, and if you see this one, see automatically reactivate my account in 7 days, right? Here you can select 1 to 7 days, or if you go down, has written don't reactivate automatically. That means until I reactivate, don't reactivate automatically, right? Just tap on done, then tap on continue, my friends. So my friends, like this, if you want, you can deactivate your Instagram account. So I'm not deactivate my account, but I'm trying to show you how you can deactivate your Instagram account. So friends, like this, if you want, you can deactivate your Instagram account. Friends, to deactivate your Instagram account, if you face any problem, feel free to ask me in comment box. I'll try to give you answers as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope so next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.